Hey guys, here's my Weeden National Playthings with a new balance wheel and a new sticker and a new non-split whistle topper. I got this off of WeedenSteam.com from Frank from Canada. Just came in today, 2 days early. We stop it, you can see that the balanced wheel is no longer broken. We can now see the Weeden Steam little decal. It's a little water decal. And let's see if the new whistle topper without a split in it works better. Not so much. Tries to, but at least it doesn't flop around. Here's fire. Even have a new wick on it. Let's see. Start her up again. So much better without a busted, unbalanced flywheel. Runs really nice. Alright, thank you. So this guy is all fixed up. Very happy. See you later. Bye now.